Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to switch off the device. To switch off the device, just tap and hold on the power button and the volume up button. Now you can see the window for restart power off. To switch off the device, just tap on the white circle and swipe to bottom and leave your hand. Like this way. So if you want to change the power button action, for this go to settings, tap on the option additional settings, tap on power button, tap on press and hold the power button and select the option power menu. Now just tap and hold on the power button. No, don't use the volume up button. Just tap and hold the power button. Now you can see the window for switch off or restart. So simply if you tap on this white circle and swipe to bottom, you can see the same window. And the next method I will show you using the assistive accessibility shortcut menu, you can easily switch off the device. To enable the accessibility shortcut menu, for this go to settings, tap on additional settings, tap on accessibility, tap on accessibility menu, turn on this option, tap on allow, tap on OK. Now you can see this accessibility shortcut menu. Tap on this one. So here you can see the option power. Just tap on this one. You can see the same window you can see here. To switch off the device, tap on the white circle and swipe to bottom. Now you can see the device is switched off. So simply in this way you can switch off the device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.